Okay guys, so super exciting. We just made it into Spain! Woo woo woo! España!
Close your eyes, get out of your skin. All it is matters, let it in. If I could, I would be right here with you. In this world of ticking clocks, I hope I'm getting through.
Hello guys, so we are in Spain. We are headed to a train going to Barcelona and we're going to spend the day there. But we're running a little bit late for our train. So we're hoping that we make it because another train won't be leaving for maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes. And it's getting pretty late in the day and it's a 30-minute train ride. Maybe a 45-minute trail ride. So yeah. Okay, so we didn't make our train.
We didn't find the station.
No, we didn't find the station at all. We followed Google Maps and it took us to just
The end of a street.
yeah, end of a street. So we think we figured out where the station is. I think I hear a train.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, so we think we figured out where the station is, so we're gonna go there now and take the next train into Barcelona. So we are now waiting for the train to arrive and we are trying to add the proper address for the train stop to Google Maps since, well, we walked way past it, like long way past it. Google Maps sent us to some random road somewhere. So we're trying to add the actual destination so other people won't have the same issues. So we finally made it into the city. Oh my god! So the plan for today is to go to Primark, go shopping in Primark, eat good food, hopefully. See beautiful places. See more beautiful places. No, but we're just gonna walk around, have a good day, and then we're gonna head back to the van. And then tomorrow we're going to meet up with some. Tonight we're gonna meet up with some friends who I don't know the name of right now. Riley and Oliver. Yeah, they have a really cool van and they do a lot of woodworking stuff. So we're gonna do some vlogging. Super nice woodworking stuff. So we're gonna do some vlogging with them tomorrow probably. And then we'll see what happens after that. So something really nice about being in a different country is that there is a different smell.
The smell is amazing.
Yeah, it just...
I love the smell.
The smell.
I love the smell.
Yeah, it smells amazing here. Well, mostly it just smells different than Sweden, which is really nice. And there's a lot more just life, like there's Corona here as well, but everyone's just out and about, sitting in uteserveringar.
Sitting outdoors.
Yeah, sitting outdoors, eating food in cafes. And it's 20 degrees Celsius here. And at home it's -10. So we're in heaven right now.
It's like Swedish summer.
Yeah, this is like Swedish summer. and it's winter here, so we are really happy right now. So there's this huge line of people going into the Lego store. We're not going in there. We are looking for Primark. So we just finished our little shopping spree at Primark. Andrea's got her little Primark bag, and now we are going to a shopping spree. I guess it's not.
One thing.
We bought one thing.
Camera bag.
A camera bag. Well, it's not a real camera bag, but we're going to use it as a camera bag for our lenses and stuff. And now we're going to a vegan restaurant.
Junk food bar.
A vegan
Oh my God.
junk food bar.
Delicious.
Looks deluge. Yeah.
Oh my god. It's gonna be so good.
So we just made it to the vegan junk food bar, and yeah, we're really hungry. So Andrea is really excited for this restaurant because there's usually not this many vegan options.
Check this out. Oh, it's full. Everything is vegan. Vegan, 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 vegan. Vegan burgers, vegan fries, vegan desserts, vegan finger licking food.
Yeah, we're gonna spend a lot of money here, and it's gonna be
Foreplay.
really, really good.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Okay guys, so the food just arrived, and oh my god, look at these dipping sauces, fries. I have a ribs burger. It's not ribs, but she has a smash burger that looks
With bacon,
amazing. Bacon and cheese. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good. So we just demolished our food. Well, Andrea has a little bit left, but oh my god, it was so good.
Oh my god, I'm so full. And it was so good. Oh my god.
Okay, so we just finished our food.
Oh, but maybe we should go this way.
Okay, we're going the other way. Okay, so we just finished our food at the vegan place. It was so good.
It was
It
amazing.
was amazing.
The finger licking food.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, if you're ever in Barcelona, come to this place. They have amazing food. Little bit pricey.
Yeah, little bit pricey.
A little bit pricey, not that much. We spent 60 euros, so that's pretty pricey for a meal. But we also bought like a big share platter and 2 burgers and drinks. Like the drinks were pretty expensive, like 3 euros for a drink. It's a bit much. So now we're going to head into the Gothic Quarter or whatever it's called and look at some churches and stuff.
Oh my god, look at this. Like all the details. It's crazy. It's so beautiful. It's so much more beautiful than the one in Paris.
Okay guys, so it's been a long day of walking.
We've been walking so much.
Yeah, it feels like we've been walking through the entire city.
We have, pretty much.
So we are on our way now to the largest church thingy.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's called.
It's green.
You'll see it soon. La Sangha Lava Churchama. Something like that.
No, not at all.
Yeah, so we're headed to that church now because it's kind of a must-see. And then we're getting back on the train, going back to the van, and then we're driving to see Oliver and Riley. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm good with names. And then we'll stay with them tonight. And then maybe we'll go back here tomorrow because there's so much to see in the city. And we feel like we haven't really made the most of it yet.
And like we really like the city.
Yeah, we really like the city.
It is so nice.
And we really want to take some drinks somewhere, but I can't drink because I'm driving. And like the mojitos are really cheap here. Like 4 euros compared to home where it would be like 16 euros for one mojito. So we're probably gonna go here tomorrow or some other day as well and just walk around Barcelona until our feet bleed, like we've done today.
Living the dream.
Living the dream. But now we're gonna go see a church. Look at this, guys. The camera does not convey at all how huge this place is. Can't even get it all in frame. Oh, look at that, so big. So after Barcelona yesterday, we drove out to pretty much the middle of a desert vineyard here in Spain, and we hooked up with Raleigh and Oliver from Wood Crafted Vans. I'll put it on the screen. And we stayed with them last night. We had a really good night and we got to meet their dog, Leo, which is not making it easier for us to not get a dog. And we're probably going to hang out with them for a while, maybe for a few days. And then we might see them in the future as well, because we have some plans for next year. We might meet up with some other van lifers and drive south. But that is for the future. Right now we are still in beautiful Spain and still living our best life, just having a good old time. So that is going to be the end of this video for now. Please remember to like and subscribe. Liking the video helps us out a lot, both with the YouTube algorithm and it helps us know that you actually like our content. So like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.